Alright, so I'd already started pulling these potatoes and then figured probably should get some footage of it. Quite a few taters, looking pretty good. Good sized ones in there. Super red. Yeah, nice potatoes. Taters! And then, if you keep some of these little guys, you can grow plants off those the next year. These are perfect size for next year's crop. This is the second generation potatoes because second time I've grown more potatoes off the potatoes from the previous year, which is pretty cool. Whoa, that's one funky looking potato. Looks like a baby. Weird. Get like 10 off each plant too. And that might be it. Yep, that looks like it for our potatoes. But I got half a 5-gallon bucket full. Well, half full. Now for the onions. Hey, little man. Well, yeah. Just digging holes with sticks. It's a favourite thing to do. Alright, onto the onions. Not the biggest onions in the world, but onions are onions, I guess. And got a fair few of them. Put some red ones in. Red ones are pretty small. Well, they're all pretty small, but the red ones are smaller. Oh, there's a better one. It's weird. This one was growing right next to that one. Exactly the same water, same everything, same sunlight. I don't know why some come out like that and some come out much bigger. Yeah, strange. Strange. What's going on, River? You still digging that hole? Digging the hole for the solar? That'd be a huge help. Yeah, not so much joy on the red onions. It's odd. I only got 2 that kind of came out alright. Oh well. Another white one. Well, I'm not going to complain too much for a little practice crop. That one was about 5 feet by 5 feet. 6 potatoes and some free onion shoots I got from Ace Hardware that they were giving away. So yeah, can't really complain.